Hey everyone, welcome back. The holiday season is winding down and it's time to transition back into work and routine. In today's video, I'll share tips on how to get out of holiday mode and prepare for the new year. Let's make this transition smooth and productive. Let's start with sleep. The holidays might have disrupted your routine, so aim to reset your sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps your body adjust quickly. A fresh start begins with a clean space. Take time to declutter your home, workspace, or even your digital life. Organize your desk, delete old emails, and set up a system to stay tidy. A clean environment promotes focus and productivity. Reflect on the past year. What went well? What could improve? Use these insights to set realistic and meaningful goals for the new year. Write them down and break them into actionable steps. Getting back to work is easier with a routine. Plan your days with a balance of work, exercise, and relaxation. Use tools like planners or apps to stay on track and avoid overwhelm. The holidays are a time to unwind, but now it's time to reconnect with your purpose. Remind yourself why your work or goals matter. This motivation will keep you energized as you step into the new year. And there you have it. By resetting your sleep, organizing your space, setting goals, and building a routine, you'll transition out of holiday mode and step into the new year with confidence. Which of these steps will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal wellness. Here's to a fantastic new year ahead. See you in the next video.